Hi, I am Madhu and I am on my twin flame journey from a long time. Thank you very much for staying connected with me and supporting my journey. And if we are meeting for the first time, I request you to subscribe to my channel, stay with me, learn from my journey, and also share your experiences with me. So, today I wanted to share a topic related to twin flame energy leakages. So, what exactly energy leak is, or specifically, what exactly leakage is? It's the simple literal meaning that something is leaking. And in the spiritual journey, energy is the thing that we preserve or work on so that we can connect with our twin flame on a deep level, not only on a physical level, but on a very deep level, energetical connection. So, what happens is you must be doing your inner work and doing your own practices, focusing on your ascension and doing everything, but then see that things are not working out in the reality. So, one possible cause is that there is a energy leak that must be happening in your own system. So, to understand it deeply, I want to give you one example. If you can just think about a bucket. So, if you are keeping that bucket filled with water, but that bucket has a leakage in it. So, what will happen? Over a period of time, all that water that was in the bucket is going to slowly get leaked. And then the water that you have been preserving for some purpose, to do some work, you will not get it to complete that work because that water got leaked through that leakage which was present in the bucket, right? So that is what happens when you see that in yourself. You are like a system, you are like an energetical system. So if there are leakages present within your energy system, so all the work that you are doing to harvest that inner energy will get leaked out. So it is necessary that not only you focus on your doing or generating the energy, but also work on how to preserve the leakages of the energy. So that way you can feel contained in the energy, you will feel complete, and in that fulfillment, attracting or magnetizing your twin flame is going to be easy. Okay, so just to give you another example, like that as a human being you are like a multi-dimensional and you are manifesting in the body. Okay, in this body you have manifested yourself, you want to experience that in reality, you want to experience a relationship with your twin flame in the reality, that's what you want. But what happens is, if you consider that your body is like a bucket and then the feelings are like your water, right? So that water or that feeling, if you're feeling good within yourself, you are feeling joyful within yourself, then you will see you are going to attract everything in the reality very quickly, very easily. Your twin flame will feel like connecting with you. Your twin flame will spend more time with you. That's how they want to stay with you. But if you are leaking your energy in some or other form, there can be some more some more example that I can give where you can identify whether you are leaking your energy or not. Okay, but what happens is, if you are leaking your energy, your twin flame is not going to recognize you, or they will not enjoy to be with you because they feel drained as well, and they will not understand what exactly is happening, but they will just feel bad and choose to just stay away from you. Okay, so some of the example of spiritual energy leakages are like, if you are spending more time or just fantasizing or in the 5D, right? So you are leaking your energy there because you need to bring that energy into your 3D in your body so that you can attract. That's one form of energy leakages. Leaking your energy by spending more time or any of your energy with karmic or any other relationship which are toxic. So the more you spend time in that relationship, you are naturally getting drained, because the relationship with karmic is not going to help you feel good, right? Or if you see that your finances are not growing, So that can also be possibility that there are leakages in your system or leakages that is happening, and that's why you are not able to attract anything in the external reality. If you are pleasing someone, or you tend to please people naturally, that is also a energy leak. So any form or anything that you say or you do or you feel, that feels bad, you do it, but after some time you will feel bad. That's exactly is a space where you can recognize that energy is leaking. Simple way, in a day you can just monitor yourself throughout the day, that okay, you started your day, you did something, because you will not understand everything without doing it. You need to do the things initially in the beginning to understand whether you are leaking energy or you are doing the thing that is serving your soul. So if you do something that makes you feel bad, so those are the places you need to look at, that whether you are leaking your energy. And in the other hand, if you are going to do something that makes you feel good, so those are the places you need to grow. That's where you can harvest more energy, because that good feeling is going to create a vibration within you, a higher vibration within you. So the more you feel good, the more you are in alignment with God, you feel loved, and that's where you attract everything. That's where the attraction happens, because basically you want to attract the good things, right? And if you're leaking your energy and feeling bad, then you are going to attract the bad experiences or the bad relationship dynamic, right? So it is basically law of attraction. If you feel bad, you attract bad experiences. If you feel good, you attract good experiences. And stopping to leak your energy is going to help you and serve you to a great extent, because by doing that, all the energy that is contained within you is going to bring both of you close to each other. And you will also see that, though if you are not leaking your energy, your twin flame will stop leaking energy into other relationship, or leaking sexual energy, or leaking energy to any other relationship. So that is the first step to understand that whether there is an energy leak in your union. And the more you stop and choose your boundary, you'll see the union energy is going to develop. And as you go deeper in that union energy, that is going to create the vibration to manifest your harmonious union with your twin flame. So it is very easy. Just not only focus on your inner work and harvesting the energy, also look at where you are leaking your energy, and you need a boundary so that you feel contained and you can focus more on growing into your harmonious union with your twin flame. Thank you.